So over here, you can see that I have two images where the background are removed right here. But well, let's say what I want to do is I want to get out the background information of this particular image right here. In that case, all you need to do is go around and click on Restore Original right here, just like this, and you get the removed out background, as you can see, just like this. You can go around and remove out the background again right here and restore it out whenever you want. Similarly, you have this image over here as well. So you can go around and click on Restore Original over here and you get the image that you want right here, just like this, as you can see. So you can go around and remove out the backgrounds right here. Let's say, for example, you remove out the background over here, just like this, for both of the images, and then you get the design ideas. Let's say, for example, right here, just like this. So there's some design ideas. So this is what you have, as you can see, and this is the effect that you want. But if you don't want the background image to be removed for this particular picture, because you see edges and everything right here, then you can simply go around and restore out the original as you like, just like this. So that is how you can restore out removed background inside of Microsoft Designer. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.